we have been given a number of partitions, 100K, sorry about that, 500K, 200K, 300K and 600K. So let's see our partitions first. Okay, so if we have our memory layout something like this, how many partitions have we been given? We have been given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 partitions. We have been given 5 partitions. So the first partition is 100K in size. The first partition is 100K in size. The next partition is 500K in size. Okay, so that's quite a big partition compared to the others in the list. Next one is 200K, a reasonably small one. Next is 300K. So 300K will be slightly bigger. And the last one is 600K. So these are my memory partitions, and all these partitions are free at this point in time. Now we have been given a number of processes which arrive in order, mind you. In order means we have to follow the order that is given to us. So first a process of size 212K will arrive, followed by a process of size 417K, followed by 112K, and finally 426K. So we have to maintain the order while solving the question. Now what I'll do is, I will try to fit in each of my processes in the given partitions using the first fit algorithm. Now the first fit algorithm of memory management tells me or tells us to take a process and place it in a partition which fits it at the very first go. That means what I'll do is, I'll take 212K and I'll start from the first partition. Does 212K fit into 100K? No, it doesn't. Does 212K fit into 500K? Yes, it does. So what I'll do is, without examining the consequences, without checking whether taking 212K and placing it into this 500K partition, will it lead to wastage of memory or not, I will not get into those details. What I'll do is, I'll simply take the process and I'll place it in the first partition where it fits. That's why the name is first fit algorithm. Take a process and place it in the first partition where it fits in. So 212K fits in 500K partition. So that's why we place it there. So now 500K partition is occupied. Okay, so I'll denote an occupied partition with a shaded description as I've shown here. Next is 417K. So I'll do the same thing. Now 417K, first I'll check whether there is space here or not. 417K process will not fit into a 100K partition. That's quite obvious. This partition is occupied. 200K is not sufficient. 300K is not sufficient, but 600K is. So 417K process will go and sit in my 600K partition. Okay, so this is done. Next we have 112K. Again, we'll start from partition number 1. Does 112K fit into 100K? No, it doesn't. 500K is occupied, but 112K process fits into this 200K partition, so it goes and sits there. And now 200K partition is occupied. Remember, in this algorithm, in this first fit algorithm, we have not been told anything regarding our partitions. That means it is safe to assume that in one partition, only one process will be allowed to enter. So we cannot have multiple processes sitting in the same partition, although a partition may not be fully utilized. Anyway, the last one is 426K. This is interesting. You'll see this is interesting. Now 426K, it doesn't fit into 100K. This is occupied, doesn't fit here, and this is occupied as well. That means 426K process will not fit into any of my given partitions. This will not fit into any of my given partitions. That means the options given here, all of them are incorrect. So there was a flaw in this question, and marks would probably be allotted to everyone. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment in the section given below. I hope this helps. Thank you.